Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your NordVPN account, or more accurately, your entire Nord account. Since everything is connected, deleting it removes access to NordVPN, NordPass, NordLocker, and any other Nord services linked to your account. Before we start, make sure you export anything important. This includes saved passwords from NordPass and files stored in NordLocker. Once your account is deleted, there's no way to recover that data. The easiest way to delete your account is through the Nord account dashboard. Start by logging in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, click on your email address at the top of the page and open your account settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom, where you'll see the option to delete your account. Click on Delete Account. Nord will send a verification code to your email. Enter that code, confirm your identity, and then follow the on-screen steps to complete the deletion. You can also start the process from within Nord apps. On the NordVPN mobile app, log in, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, go to Help, and select Request Account Deletion. This will redirect you to your Nord account to finish the process. On the NordVPN Mac desktop app, open Help, choose Email Support, and in the contact form, select Request Account Deletion. Enter a short message such as, "Please delete my account," and submit the request. If you use NordPass on mobile, open your profile, go to Settings, and tap Delete Account. You'll receive an email with a link that takes you to your Nord account to complete the deletion. In the NordLocker app, open Settings and select Delete Account. This will open a form in your browser where you choose Delete my account and fill in the required details. If none of these options work, you can use Nord's account deletion request form directly. You'll be asked for your account email, the amount and date of your oldest payment, the payment method you used, such as a credit card or PayPal, and whether you also use NordPass or NordLocker. You can attach a screenshot of a payment to speed things up. After submitting the form, Nord support typically contacts you within 24 hours with the next steps. And that's it. That's the complete process for safely and permanently deleting your NordVPN account. If you ever decide to sign up again, my link below gives you up to 74% off plus 3 extra months for free. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.